Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix content installation failed with error code ECMDDL. Right-click taskbar, click Task Manager. Right-click Epic Game Launcher, click End Task. Right-click Start button, click Run, type %local of data %. Open Epic Game Launcher folder, open Saved folder, open Config folder, open Windows folder. Edit Engine.ini file. Start Epic Games Launcher. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.